Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your Snapchat Bitmoji in 2020. Really easy and simple to do. You just want to head over to your Snapchat application and open that up. Once you open up Snapchat application, just go to the top left corner where you see your Bitmoji. Click on that, then just click on the little settings icon on the top right. Once you're on there, you want to scroll down till you see the Bitmoji setting right here. Click on the Bitmoji setting, and then at the very bottom, you'll see unlink my Bitmoji. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then here, just going to make sure that you want to confirm that you want to unlink it because it will be deleted. Very important. So if you're not sure, don't do it. But if you're 100% sure, just go ahead and click on the unlink button. And then it will delete your Bitmoji and you'll be able to create a new one here if you would like to. I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.